Hello everyone, welcome to Computer CP Plus, and today I'm here with a quick short video to share with you guys regarding a issue with internal keyboard and internal trackpad for Lenovo ThinkPad is a second gen. This is a brand new computer with the Ryzen 7 79000 series processor. We have just done a cloning. Let me switch the camera then. There you go. So we just finished the cloning from another Lenovo. After cloning done, we took the driver update, Windows update, make sure everything was up to date. But the internal keyboard was not working, trackpad doesn't working, and the TrackPoint was not working. Even we try external keyboard, USB, wireless, none of them is work. But when we try to boot to the BIOS before booting to the Windows, is actually the internal keyboard or external keyboard, mouse, trackpad, everything is working normal. We also booted this computer from an external bootable flash drive hidden boot and confirmed that the computer was working fine, no issues with the hardware. But in the Windows 11, after cloning, after taking all the updates, when we comes to the device manager, and we was having an error here under the standard PS2 keyboard and TrackPoint device. We pretty much try everything, download the driver manually from the Lenovo website and uninstall these, install these. None of them worked. But when we go to the properties and we used to see an error here under the general. We was seeing the error 10, which is indicating that the registry something was not working, or Windows unable to make the keyboard and trackpad make working or start up, something like that. So I was doing some more research to see if anybody having the same issue, and I was able to find this information, very useful information. Somebody anonymous, somebody posted the information for Windows 8.1, but this is very interesting. This information even is Windows 8.1. It was posted 2015. Luckily it's still working. It's working for keyboard and mouse both. So though I seen that the differences between Windows 8.1 and 11, they say we should have a folder or file which says upper filters. It says here upper filters, and then edit that and write the class, the value with this kbd class. This is for the keyboard, and mou class, this is for the trackpad or TrackPoint. This entire upper filter file was missing in the registries. So I just created manually, right click. By the way, how you can identify this, I will try to put this link in the descriptions, and that way you can follow through. The critical thing only was if you go to these locations and then you have to identify your hardware, which is the class GUID or something. How you can find that? You can just select your the hardware having error and go to the properties and then details, and then select the properties to class guide, and then you will see the value. So you must have to 100% accurate this number into your registries. And here, because when you comes to the class, and you're gonna see there is 100 different type of them. They looks all similar, but they are not actually. So I actually went through pretty much all of them and making sure the one I'm looking for, and I was able to found that, and one was here. This is for the keyboard, and I can see it says the keyboard here too, and the other one was for the track point or something was here. So I just created a new value by right click from the new, and it must has to be multi-string value. Though in the post it has an error here, probably it's typo mistake, I'm not sure. It says multi-screen, edit multi-screen, but I didn't see anything says related with the multi-screen. I assumed they was trying to type the multi-string value. So I was just, based on the information, I was just guessing and I was trying to see if this work. Even information was not matching 100%, but it's worked for me. So I just took the file as a multi-string value, and then I renamed the file as a upper filters, and then when I go there, double clicking the file, and then I edit it with the value I found in online, and this value is fix my when you click, and it's gonna give you an error first. Even it says error, is giving you an error, it's still it's gonna save the file, so you don't have to worry. So after changing the one, you just reboot the computer and your system should working, and you will not see anymore the error warning sign here. And as you can see, this video actually I'm recording after fixing the problem, because I was not aware that is going to actually work. But surprisingly, it's actually working perfect. Even the original post was 2015, 10 years ago, for Windows 8.1, and that method still working for 2025, which is Windows 11 24H2 version. And you just have to make sure that you're taking the multi-string file and editing the value and creating the file name as a upper filter or something, as I shown on this video before. There is a little bit differences, but yeah, so this method is help me and resolve the problem. This computer is now good to go. As you can see, my trackpad is working, and also my keyboard is working as well. So about this matches, I'm sorry that I'm recording the video later, because this is probably going to help for other technician who are really looking for the troubleshooting regarding the internal mouse, keyboard, and error 10 or something like that. Thank you so much, and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.